Are you tired of dealing with that persistent cough? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 home remedies to help soothe your cough and get you feeling better in no time. Let's dive in. 1. Honey and lemon. Mixing honey and lemon is a classic remedy that can help soothe your cough. The antibacterial properties of honey and the vitamin C in lemon work together to relieve throat irritation. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce coughing. Prepare a cup of ginger tea by steeping freshly grated ginger in hot water. Add some honey or lemon for extra flavor. 3. Warm saltwater gargle. A simple but effective remedy is gargling with warm salt water. It can help reduce throat inflammation and loosen mucus, providing relief from coughing. Just mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. 4. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam can help moisten and soothe your airways. Boil water, transfer it to a bowl, and drape a towel over your head to create a steam tent. Breathe deeply for a few minutes to alleviate your cough. 5. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which can help relax the muscles in your throat. Brew a cup of peppermint tea or simply inhale its aroma to ease your cough. 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for cough relief. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a glass of warm milk, add a pinch of black pepper for better absorption, and enjoy. 7. Thyme infusion. Thyme has been used for centuries to treat respiratory conditions. Steep a handful of fresh thyme leaves in hot water to create an herbal infusion. Sip on it to soothe your cough and ease congestion. 8. Onion cough syrup. Onions contain compounds that can help alleviate coughing. Finely chop an onion, mix it with honey, and let it sit for a few hours. Take a teaspoon of the resulting syrup to calm your cough. 9. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil has a refreshing aroma and can act as a natural cough suppressant. Dilute a few drops of eucalyptus oil in a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, and apply it to your chest or inhale its vapors. 10. Hydration and rest. Last but not least, remember to stay hydrated and get plenty of rest. Drinking enough water helps keep your airways moist, while rest allows your body to heal and recover faster. That concludes our list of the top 10 home remedies for cough relief. Remember, these remedies can be helpful, but if your cough persists or worsens, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Take care of yourself and feel better soon.